Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
Has she had a lot of sugar tonight?
She hasn't had any of her candy.
Really?
She's just excited. Hey, shake. Whoa.
Do it again.
She is coming out of her shell now. She's been going to school a little bit. She is coming more out of her shell.
You gotta tell him to do something.
Yeah. Tell him to shake this time. Tell him shake. Shake. Good boy. Give it to him.
She's cracking up.
Jen's new house nice.
Very nice.
That's what Aunt Cindy was saying.
The last one, okay? Tell him to do something. Tell him down.
Yeah.